Hello, hi. I am Bhaskar. I have my wife Abhilasha and Archita. We got Archita into first year engineering of mechanical engineering. The reason why we chose VIT is because first we are from Bangalore and it's quite close to us, and we know that VIT is one of the premium institute in India. We went to the website and we got all the information. Also, we have few people known who are already have kids studying over here, so pretty kind of aware of all the facilities which are being provided by VIT. The campus, we today for the first time we have come, and it's really very good. The process also was very quite smooth for us. We wanted to get the hostel and all the other formalities done, and we could do it in an hour or so. So that way, I should say that process is very smooth, and all the concerned people are quite cooperative. Thank you.